TVS Motors, Coal India, Godrej Properties, and Sun Pharma as its top large cap picks for 2025. This strategic investment will strengthen Infosys capabilities in healthcare and life sciences sector, enabling it to provide more advanced solutions to its clients. Key feature of this system is its integration of artificial intelligence through GPT, which powers a voice assistant capable of responding to user queries. Premier Energies Limited, a recently listed renewable energy firm, has revealed the plans to set up a 1 gigawatt solar module manufacturing in Telangana. Hello friends, welcome to Money Astute. Jefferies predicts a modest returns of approximately 10% from Nifty 50 index, expecting it to reach 26,600 levels by the end of 2025. The brokerage also pointed out that the index 1-year forward price to earning ratio is currently above the 5-year average, and it anticipates that the 10% returns will align with the expected earning growth. On the stock front, Jefferies has selected ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, Bharti Airtel, JSW Energy, TVS Motors, Coal India, Godrej Properties, and Sun Pharma as its top large cap picks for 2025. The brokerage forecasts an upside of about 17 to 43% for these stocks. IRCTC has introduced some recent updates with several current services from different apps set to be merged into a single mega app. Besides allowing passengers to purchase platform tickets, book both reserved and unreserved tickets, and track trains in real time, the app will also provide access to feedback and food services. This consolidation will eliminate the need for multiple apps such as Rail Madad, UTS, and IRCTC Rail Connect. The development of this super app will be led by Chris, the organization responsible for creating the IT system for Indian Railways. Set to launch in December, this initiative marks a significant step towards improving passenger convenience. Leveraging its experience in developing and managing railway system, Chris aims to ensure a smooth transition to the new unified app. Infosys has announced that it will invest 8.3 crores, approximately $1 million, in the healthcare and life science startup 4Base Care as part of its Infosys Innovation Fund. 4Base Care offers innovative precise oncology solutions by utilizing a wide range of genomic and clinical data. This strategic investment will strengthen Infosys capabilities in healthcare and life sciences sector, enabling it to provide more advanced solutions to its clients. The investment will represent a minority stake not exceeding 20% of company's outstanding share capital. The Infosys Innovation Fund has previously invested in a range of pioneering startups across different industries, including companies such as Galaxy Eye, IdeaForge, Airwiz, and Whoop. Unominda has introduced a new touchscreen infotainment system in Indian market. Key feature of this system is its integration of artificial intelligence through GPT, which powers a voice assistant capable of responding to user queries. Priced at 50,000, this system comes with 1-year warranty and will be available for purchase both online and in offline stores. In addition to AI-powered assistant, infotainment system includes built-in Google Maps. Drivers can also connect their smartphones via wireless or wired Android apps and also Apple CarPlay. The system allows users to install additional applications as well. Premier Energies Limited, a recently listed renewable energy firm, has revealed the plans to set up a 1 gigawatt solar module manufacturing in Telangana. This facility is expected to begin operations by March 2025, further enhancing the company's manufacturing capabilities beyond what was initially outlined during its listing. With the strong emphasis on innovation, Premier Energies has broadened its product range to include advanced technologies such as TOPCon modules, addressing the global growing demand for highly efficient solar products. Over time, the company has positioned itself as a significant player in the renewable energy space. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.